Howdy, howdy, howdy. I am Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Rose Bro, and this is Art World Geeks, inspired by, where I discuss a work that inspires my art practice. In this episode, we'll look at the 1992 installation, Iceland Project, by the artist Magdalena Jetelova. Jetelova was born in Semily, Czech Republic, in 1946. The artist is known for creating installation works that incorporate elements of land art, such as the Iceland Project, in which the artist used lasers to visualize the local geological condition called undersea intercontinental divide, a divergent tectonic plate boundary. This work inspires me to look to the land as an influence in my work. Until next time, I'm Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Rose Bro. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media and the web at Art World Geek.